In this video, I will show you how to see unread emails only in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. Once that's done, I want you to go to this search bar here, and I want you to type this query, is colon unread. Now, this is going to bring out all of the unread emails in every label or folder. So you see, it's gonna bring out emails in inbox and attachments, emails in inbox. All of the folders that you see here and labels that you see here is gonna bring out emails in them. Now you can further narrow it down to say you're only looking for emails that are unread in inbox, and it's gonna bring out just emails in inbox for you to see. As you can see, only emails in inbox. Now we can also do emails that are unread in spam, and you see we have only spam emails here. Now that's how to see unread emails only in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.